Everyone dreams. But dreams alone are never enough. Everyone gets motivated, but motivation is like a spark. It lights up for a moment and then it fades away. What turns dreams into reality? What keeps the fire alive in the darkest nights? It's only one thing: discipline. Discipline is the bridge between your goals and your destiny. Motivation is a feeling. Sometimes you have it, sometimes you don't. When you're happy, work feels easy. But what happens on the days when you're tired, broken, or discouraged? That's when discipline takes over. Living on motivation is like sailing a boat that only moves when the wind is right. Living with discipline is like holding the oars and steering your own path. That's the difference between people who quit and people who change the world. Discipline is not about big speeches or once-in-a-lifetime moments. It's hidden in your daily habits. Waking up early even when you don't feel like it. Training your body even when you're exhausted. Working on your dreams even when no one is watching. Each small habit is a brick, and together those bricks build the palace of your future. If you discipline yourself today, the world will respect you tomorrow. But if you choose laziness today, tomorrow you'll be left with nothing but regret. An athlete trains every day, even in an empty stadium. A student studies daily, even when exams are far away. An entrepreneur builds their business step by step, even when others laugh at them. Do you think successful people are always motivated? Number. But they are always disciplined. Cristiano Ronaldo, Elon Musk, Muhammad Ali, Steve Jobs, every one of them had lazy days, tired days, painful days. But they built a friendship with discipline. That's why their names are remembered forever. People think discipline means restrictions, rules, or chains. But the truth is, discipline is the highest form of freedom. When you discipline your time, you own your life. When you discipline your actions, you own your future. Discipline is the price of freedom. It's the sacrifice of comfort in exchange for greatness, and only those who pay this price taste true freedom. Remember this: destiny is not written by chance, it's written by discipline. Motivation comes and goes, but discipline stays inside you like a soldier, guiding your steps every single day. So make a decision right now. Will you spend your life dreaming, or will you turn your dreams into reality with discipline? Say it to yourself. From today, I choose discipline, because discipline builds destiny.